So in this project we log in into the company. So let's say login company. Here company name I am giving as a Wipro, and password is 12345 I am giving, and I am clicking on what login. Okay, once it is login, this menu we have to change. I have not changed this menu in the last video, so this particular menu I am going to change. Okay, so let me go into the code. In the company module, okay, in the company folder, this menu I am going to change. So what I would like to go for here, it is, I have designed a small menu here. See, company menu contains what? Job posting, applications, placements, and logout. Okay, so job postings. First of all, what I am going to do here, it is, I am going to give the home. Home means company home page only we have to display. This is what. Okay, next menu that I am going to give here, it is what? Let's say that okay, now I am going to give what? Job postings, otherwise I say that profile. Okay, profile, the company would like to see their profile. So let me first of all give here profile. Okay, profile. So company profile.jsp. Okay, company profile.jsp, this is what. Okay, and then after we are going to write here job postings. Okay, job posting, job posting, job posting here. Okay, add new post, new posts. Okay, then view. Okay, view postings. Okay, view postings, like this. Add new posts and post, otherwise post I mean says, and view postings. Okay, so this is what. Next the menu that I would like to add here, it is applications and placements. So applications means whatever the application that you get from the student side, that applications they can see. Okay, applications. Okay, applications they can view. Okay, then placements is there, however, and finally say what? Logout. Okay, so let me change this particular URL to what? Hash. Sorry, this is what add new posting. This I am going to make it as what? Hash, and here also I make it what? Hash, right? Okay, first thing, otherwise let me go here and refresh the page, so that no, yeah, it is everything is changed over here, right? So now I click on what? Profile. When you click on the profile, the company profile, it should show. Okay, now how to see the company profile? Let us understand that one. So I create one in the company. I say what? Profile, one JSP file I take here. Let me say that profile.jsp. Okay, profile.jsp. So otherwise I rename this one, rename to what? Company profile. Better we make it dot rename company profile. Okay, company underscore profile.jsp. So what we do here, it is, let's say whenever you log in into the company, let's say that whenever you log in into the company login code. Okay, right. So what we do is, what we are going to do here, it is, understand carefully what I'm going to explain here. When we see the company's database here, the table, see Wipro is there. So Wipro, when Wipro is login into the database, we have to store this company ID. This company ID we have to store in what? Session. Okay, company ID we have to store, because company ID is a unique column, a primary key column. Therefore this company ID we are going to store in the session, and whenever we want to get the company details, we can use this particular I'm going to say is company ID to retrieve the company details. Okay, so therefore what I do here, it is, let's say that whenever the login is there, I'm going to create a session. Okay, session dot, okay, session dot set attribute, that is company ID, company ID. Okay, I put the company ID over here. Let me say that company ID. Okay, this is what? rs dot get integer of, okay, company ID. This is what? A company ID. Okay, so I am storing this particular whatever the result set contains the company ID. So rs dot get integer of company ID, that I am storing in the session. Okay, so any data that you store in the session object, that can be available in other JSP pages. Okay, right. Now once it is login, see in the home page I am going to show here. Here I am going to show, okay, what is the company ID. Let me show here some details like okay, company ID is equal to, see, I'm going to show the company ID over here. What I'm going to do is expression tag I'm going to use. Okay, then session dot get attribute of company ID. Okay, company ID. This is what I'm going to show. So what I'm going to do now, here it is, I refresh the page here once again, refresh the page. Let me say log out first of all. Once again you have to log in please, because now we have added the latest code. Okay, company, that is Wipro, then 1234 password, login, and you can see that the company ID we got 1. Okay, so therefore this is what happens here. It is the Wipro company ID is what, 1. Okay, now using this one we can get the profile data. How to get the profile data? Let us understand here. Okay, let's understand code. So in the profile, company profile, what I'm going to do is I am going to get the data based upon the this profile. Okay, right, based upon the company ID, let's say. So how can I do this particular thing? Means, see, I copy here. See, what I do is I copy this code. Which code? In the admin view companies is there, isn't it? View companies. The same code that I'm going to copy paste here. Okay, the same code I'm going to copy paste here. Control A, Control V. Okay, let us say that this is the Control S. Okay, but what we should do here, it is we have to see, please, we have to let's say that what is the oh, select star from company. This is giving all companies rows. Okay, but I should get now whichever the company that login, that company record only I should get it. So I'm going to write here, it is. Okay, this is prepare statement where, okay, where I can say that where company ID is equal to question mark. Okay, and I am going to set the parameter here now. Okay, ps dot set integer. Okay, parameter 1 with this parameter I am going to pass with the data present in the session. Okay, session dot, okay, session dot get attribute of company ID. So which company ID it is going to substitute? 1. Okay, so set integer. Okay, what is that is happening, please? Set integer, set string. Okay, let me see the error. Multiple annotation method int integer is not available. Okay, right. Set integer session dot get attribute of company ID. So data type is mismatching. Okay, let me say that set string I am going to write. Okay, set string is also not available, because let us see what it is returning actually. Session dot get attribute is returning let's say that integer. Okay, company ID is equal to session dot get attribute of company ID. Let's say that Control C. Here I say Control V. Okay, so what is happening? Cannot convert object to integer, it is saying. Okay, cannot convert object to integer. Okay, so therefore I am going to write here. Okay, and dot toString, will say that dot toString, so that it will return as string, and that string I am going to convert into integer. So integer dot parse int of, okay, this particular thing I am going to take. So whatever the company ID which is present in the session object is converted into string, that string is converted integer and assigns to company ID. Okay, so now here I am going to write set integer of this one parameter. Okay, this one parameter is now stored with the right, set with the this company ID. Control C. Here we are putting the company ID. Okay, right, now we execute the query. Okay, once the query is executed, what is happening? It will show the data. Okay, so the same data it is going to show. Let us see what is happening with this particular thing. Okay, let us run the application. No, okay, once again continue. So I say refresh it. Yeah, when you click on the profile, yes, profile we have not at all linked with that particular profile, company profile.jsp. This menu item is not linked with this particular company profile.jsp. So we go to the menu. In the menu profile, so company profile.jsp we have kept is yes, company profile.jsp, yes, we have kept. But why it is giving error? Once again we see. Okay, refresh it. Profile. So company spelling mistake. See, company profile spelling mistake is there. Okay, so what is that is company. Okay, company profile, right. Now I go to this particular browser and let us get back, refresh it. Now I say profile. See, I got the data. Is it clear? This is the data that I got it. Only one company, Wipro company data only I got it. Okay, so once again I click log out. Now we can see this. Another one is there. That is what Infosys. Okay, Infosys username password is what? See, Infosys 1345. Infosys 1345. Okay, now I should get that particular thing. So login company. I say what Infosys, right? Password 12345 and login. And once I click on this particular profile, see, now I got Infosys profile. Infosys, I got it, details. Okay, right? This is how it can be done. But this profile we have to show in another way. Okay, not like this. We have to show in a table format like this. Okay, in this particular way it should show the profile. Okay, so I'm going to do the changes for that. Let us say that okay, this delete button should not be present here, because the company should not delete it profile. So delete button we deactivate here it is. Okay, or we remove that particular thing. So in the company profile I am going to delete that particular, okay, delete option. Delete option I am going to remove. Okay, this delete option is not required. This I am going to delete it. Okay, that's it. Once again I go here and I refresh it. Okay, edit. So now I am going to convert this particular data into a profile. Okay, right, in Bootstrap grid. Okay, how? Let me show you that one. Okay, okay. So in the earlier, this is what actually now this is how the company profile I would like to show, like this. The picture should be shown here. Infosys, like company name and the location, mobile, email, company level, website, like this it should show the profile. Okay, so to show the profile in this particular way, what we are going to do here it is, see, this I have taken the help of the chat GPT, right. This table code, whatever the table code is there, this table code I have given to the chat GPT. Okay, up to here I have given the code to the chat GPT here, and I asked here, I have given this complete code to the chat GPT, and I asked a simple question that give this code to show the profile using Bootstrap 5 Bootstrap 5 grid in with the profile pic at the top, like this. So it given the code, so the code it is given like this. Okay, the only thing is we have to do the changes. So if I type the code myself, it takes a lot of time. That is why I'm taking the help of the chat GPT. Okay, so in this particular table place, what I'm going to do here it is, I am going to paste, okay, the chat GPT given code, control V, that's it. I save it. Okay, once you save it and go here and say that refresh the page, and you click on the profile, see, now the profile you got it like this. Okay, so you can adjust, you can do adjustment whatever the thing that is required. See, just think, same code only, the only thing is this particular HTML presentation is changed, that's it. Okay, and remaining thing is very same, there is no difference. Okay, instead of table here taken a bootstrap. Okay, that's what. And if you want to edit edit this particular thing, please. Okay, if you want to do the edit, this edit can also be done below this particular image only. Okay, so profile, company profile, and here it is there, company logo it is showing, company name, okay, company name, company location, and here we can put here like division tag. Okay, so that what happens is the edit option will be provided over here only. Okay, so wherever you want to put the edit profile, you can give that okay, edit profile, fine. So that's is there. Otherwise you can also convert into one pencil. Okay, pencil also you can put it, there is no issue. Okay, right. Now this extra this company data that I am going to remove. Okay, where is there? Yeah, this company's data that I am going to remove. Right, fine. This is what happens with it. Okay, save it, and this is what the profile that we got. Okay, suppose if you want to edit the profile, if you click on the edit profile, then profile should be edited. Okay, okay. Now how can we do this edit profile? Means similar to the edit option for the student. Similarly we can also do the company edit. Okay, so let us see how can we edit the profile. Okay, Let's see, whenever you click on this edit profile button, okay, where it is, yeah, so edit company profile, okay, edit company profile dot JSP, and to which we are passing the company ID. See, the company ID is passing over here, okay. So therefore I am going to create this particular JSP file, Control C, and in the company I am going to write here new, and what I say is one JSP file. This is the JSP file, company profile. So company profile contains the code which is very similar to registration, company registration only, right? This is what, Control A, Control C, okay, and here I am going to put Control A, Control V. This is okay, right? But the headers are what, dot dot slash we have to write, and menu is same. Let us see how can we do this one. So the same registration, company registration code only I am putting over here, right? Then I go here, once again refresh it and edit profile. See, it is showing the same form, okay. But what happened here, it is okay, I can say edit company profile. So this is what I'm going to now change. I do changes here. What is that? Edit company profile, company profile, okay, right. In this case, what I'm going to do here, it is right, action is equal to, what is the action, let me write later on, okay, this is the action I will write later on. But whenever you click on the edit profile, now you should show the profile. What I mean to say is, it should show the company details over here. Company details it should show. Okay, image is not required here. Image we are not going to do we are not going to modify the image, please. Okay, right. So how can you get the name? Okay, so for this we have to write the code. This code already we wrote in what, edit student. Okay, let me say that edit student, right, edit student, okay, here code is written. See, the same code I am going to write here. See, this is the code that I am writing. This particular code I am going to copy, the connection code and everything, here it is there, up to here I am going to copy, okay, Control C, right. So edit company also I am going to paste over here, where it is there, okay, here it is present, here I am going to paste the particular thing, Control V, right. Let us see. Okay, fine, everything is okay. This is for messages, alert messages, okay, right. And here JDBC connection we are getting, but what is the request parameter that you are going to get? No, here we are going to get session dot, okay, session dot get the attribute of, okay, get attribute of, what is that, is company ID, okay, company ID, company ID, you got it, okay. So let's say that here it is company ID, company ID, assume that, okay. And if you want toString, you can also write toString to get as a string, okay, as a string, okay, company ID, you got it. Now here I'm going to select star from companies, okay, companies, where company ID is equal to, where, okay, company ID is equal question mark. So here we are going to set the company ID here, please. We are going to set the company ID, Control V, right? Company ID we are setting and execute the query, right? Now we have to present the data over here, okay? Here we have to show the company name. So value is equal to, how you write, please? Value is equal to, in the scriptlet tag, okay? Scriptlet tag you are going to write here is equal to, right, rs dot, because the record is now present in the rs. So rs dot, what's the column name? Get the string of company name. Column name is what? Company name, because if you see the database, you can see here this company name, location, mobile, these column names we are going to retrieve the data, okay. So that's what, okay, previous videos you have to go through so that you will understand this one, okay. Okay, company name. So the same code that I am going to write here, okay, I am going to write the same thing, Control S, okay. This if statement we have opened here, this if statement we have to close, where we have to close, below this particular thing, okay, where it is form is there, okay, below this form we are going to put that particular thing, we are going to close that else statement, then only that, okay, here I am going to close this particular thing, save it, okay. Now you can see here this rs error is gone, okay. So this one let me copy here, please, copy and paste the location also I'm going to give here. Okay, location here, space, and give the location. Better I go to the next line, so it will be visible for. Okay, so what is that is here location, the column name is location. Then here I'm going to write here something like control V. Yeah, tell me what is that. This is mobile. Okay, mobile. Next this is email. Okay, here I'm going to copy the email. Okay, email, right, email. See, once I refresh it, okay, and here I go and refresh the page. Sorry, I'm getting errors. Why I'm getting errors means, but how many flower base that we have opened, let us understand here. This if we have closed over here, okay, and this try we have opened here. Okay, one flower base we have opened. Okay, if we have closed here, and one if is opened here, so we have to close for catch try block also we have to close. Okay, so let me copy that particular thing also here. Yes, this catch block also I copy B. Okay, so instead of typing, lot of time will be wasted. Okay, so here I am going to write, let's say that, okay, this is what I am putting over here, right? Save it now. Yeah, now I go here and refresh the page, refresh it. Yeah, see, I got edit company, company name I didn't get. Okay, okay, lot of things I didn't get here. Why? Edit company, right? Yeah, result set is there. These statements we have not imported yet. Okay, so go to here, I copy, so I can also import, but I'll copy from here. This import statements I copy into this one because they are not imported yet. Okay, so I import it, save it. See, all the errors are gone now. Yes, yes. Now I go to this one and I refresh the page. Okay, company spelling is went wrong. Companies. Okay, where is that? Companies. Okay, right. Let us get back here and see, this is what the Infosys. Got it? Are getting the details? Right. Similarly, I'll get the remaining data, please. Similarly, I'll get the remaining data. Okay, we got the email. Then here I'm going to show the option, right? Option, OPTN option. What is the option is? Let's say option, we have to provide here percentile is equal to rs dot, okay, get integer of company level. Company level, okay, company level. That's it, finished. Next, we'll get here, yeah, name. Okay, yeah, this is what input. Okay, input URL, right? Input type is equal to URL we have given here, right? This is actually, yeah, name, and here I am going to write okay, control V, so control Z, please. This I'm going to copy. What I'm going to copy? Yeah, this value I'm going to copy, right? Control C. Here I'm going to put URL, where it is? Yeah, here it is. Control V. Okay, okay. Here I'm going to say what URL. URL you are getting URL. Okay, fine. And here we should get the username. Username, how to get username? That's it. This is what username. Okay, and here we are going to present the password, so that the password you can also change the password. Okay, this is what password also we are giving, and submit not register here. Update profile. Okay, this is what happens. So let us once again refresh it so that you will get the profile data. Okay, right. So now this is what the data that you got. Once again I click on here. When you click on the profile, you will get the profile. When you click on the edit profile, see, this is what the profile that you got it, right? You can present this particular data in a neat manner according to your styles. Okay, so you can use lot of CSS styles or bootstrap styles for representing this particular pages in a neat fashion. Okay, right. So when you click on the update, this profile should be updated. For this also we have to write the code again. Okay, so for that what I do is, in the company I write a JSP file like edit company profile. The code I am going to write code.jsp. Okay, so this I am going to copy, control C, and finish. So whenever you click on this particular edit profile, okay, whenever you click on this particular submit button, whenever you click on the submit button, it should go to the action page. What is the action page? Where is the action page, please? Form tag, here it is. Okay, edit, here I am going to write the edit student. No, this is not edit student, please. Edit student, not edit company, right? Edit company. No. Edit company. Yes, this is edit company. So whenever you click on this particular update profile, where it should go, please? It should go to the form tag action. Action is like this, control V. Edit company profile code.jsp. Okay. So this is how you are going to make it. Okay. So all now this multi-part data is not required because we are not using any files concept here. We are not uploading any files. Okay. So now we'll go to this particular page. Let me close this one. Okay, company profile, right? And remaining things, this company login, this particular thing, let me close here, please, because right. Okay, this is good. Okay, edit company profile, and this is the code. So all this particular data, it is going to reach to this particular code.jsp. Okay. So what I am going to do here, it is I am going to copy the code, please. Once again, see this registration, company registration code is there, right? Registration code somewhere it is servlet. Yeah, in the servlet it is present. Java resources. Okay, here company. Okay, company registration servlet. This same database code I am going to copy, please. Okay, same database code I am going to copy. That's it. Same, because we are now updating, right? Same database code I am going to copy. That's it. Here I am going to copy in the body tag. Okay, or I remove everything here, delete it. Okay, in the JSP code, in the JSP scriptlet tag, I am going to paste it, save it. Okay, but one thing that you have to go with is we have to import all these particular things. Okay, let me import it. Filter, no, file. This file concept is not required. Sorry, I mean to say that files concept is not there here. Therefore, let me delete this files code. Okay, files code is not required. Okay, connection. Okay, right, JDBC connection. Okay, prepared statement, I import it, no problem. IntelliSense I am using to import this one. See, this import statements are importing. Okay, then driver manager is also I am going to import, no problem. Calendar means that is what util package. Okay, that also I import. Okay, save it. Once save it, that imported errors will be removed. Okay, file name is not required here. Okay, file name not required. Okay, fine, good, save it. Right. So what we are doing is we are reading the company name, location, mobile, email, company URL, username, password. See all these particular details. Okay, all these particular form details we are reading here, retrieving the form data. Okay, then connection string, this is everything is same. So all this is not required. Okay, why it is not required? The question comes here, it is because now we can get a connection object like this. Con is equal to, okay, what is that is db connection. Okay, already we got db connection dot get connection. We'll get the connection object. Okay, right. Then we once you got the connection object, now update it. Okay. Okay, so here I am going to write a update query for this particular company. Okay, Control Z. Let me say that update. Okay, update companies set. Okay, set. What is that? Company name is equal to question mark. Okay, location is equal to question mark. Mobile is equal to question mark. So all these parameters I am going to use to update the company. Okay, company level is equal to question mark, like this. So let me take this one. Okay, URL is equal to question mark. Okay, then username is equal to question mark, and password is equal to question mark. Registration date not required. Registration date we should not modify. Okay, okay, here it is there. Then the query is SQL query is where. Okay, let me say that where. So which company which company profile should be updated, where company ID is equal to, okay, where company ID is equal to, okay, question mark again. This is what the query. Okay, the prepared statement query we have prepared. So here parameter 1 should be modified with what? Company name. Okay, So 2 is location. So this parameter numbers are changed. 3 is what mobile, 4 is what this particular email, 5 is what company level, 6 is what URL, 7 is what username, and password is what 8. Then okay, the ninth parameter here, this is the ninth parameter is company ID. Where does the company ID comes from? The company ID comes from here, like, okay, so let's say that integer dot parse int of, okay, we'll get from session dot get attribute of, okay, company. From session we are going to get company ID dot toString. Okay, so that particular thing we are going to put here, and this is what not string parameter, company ID is integer parameter, therefore integer. Okay, so this is completed, right? Now once we execute that, okay, where we have to reach? Again we go to what company profile page only, company profile page, okay, with response with company profile only, okay, with company profile result is equal to 1. Let's say result is equal to 1, and same company profile you go, if it is updated successfully or not updated successfully, response is 0, right? And here I am going to close this particular thing. Okay, again go to company profile only, okay, if error comes, go to the company profile only, right? Save it. Okay, so this is what edit, we have updated the data. So therefore let us see here, go to this particular thing, refresh it, right? Now I do changes, okay, Infosys company name updated, let's say updated, and company level also I make it 4, okay, that's it. Then I say what, update profile. So student updated successfully, means that the profile information, see, Infosys updated, company level we got 4, okay, now it is updated, so it is saying that it is updated. Why we got that particular message means, let us edit company profile. What is the option, that is right, not is equal null. If is equal to 1, student added successfully. No, what we say is right, what we have to write, response 1 means, okay, company, sir, not company profile updated successfully. If response 0, what is the meaning here? Let's say that profile not updated, okay, not updated. This is the thing that we can go with, okay. So what is the parameter that we got here? Result is equal to 1 we got, means we should get what, this is success message only we are getting, okay, success message you are getting, but this you should get, no success, okay. Why you are getting danger color? This danger color you should not get here, actually I have given success only. Then why you are getting profile updated successfully, but what is the message it is showing? Let me check once again, student deleted successfully. Oh, from here you are getting that, means it is not updated yet. We have did some changes in the code, but the changes are not took place, okay, not took place, that is why you are getting that message, okay, no problem. But when we execute once we start the server and again we refresh it, we'll get it, okay, no issue. Let's say edit profile, then we say update profile, and this is what, okay, fine, you'll get no problem, right? But it is updating. If you see that this Infosys is updated, okay, once again I change this one, see this updated, I am going to change here, and I click on update profile, see, close, and this is updated, fine. Okay, so this is what happens. So we have completed this profile option in what companies, and in the next video we are going to understand job posting, how to add the new posting and how to view the postings. Okay.